Hello, dear wonderful friends. Welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Please come join with me as I'm going to make very easy type of dessert or snacks. And so we will make buttered mamon. So very easy to make. So prior to mixing, and I would like to you to come and follow me as we are going to set our oven or preheat our oven. Friends, this is my oven. So I'll have to set into bake, which is normally comes to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are preheating our oven this time and set that aside for now. What are the very basic ingredients that we have? Okay, here in my clean dry mixing bowl with my simple whisk, I am going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour if you want. So that's 1/2 cup and this is 1 cup. So that's 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour plus another 1 cup. So makes 2 cups of all-purpose flour in total. Friends, we will be combining all the dry ingredients. So we have here 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have here baking powder, whatever brand of baking powder, simply you can go ahead. I am using teaspoon at this point, so I'll be adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So that's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. I will be adding iodized salt or fine salt, 1 teaspoon. Beautiful. So what we will do is simply mix all our dry ingredients all together. You can mix this up to, let's say, 30 seconds. And set that aside for now. Beautiful. Remember, friends, cooking and baking, they're always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. Okay, we are going to make batter mixture or a creaming method. So I have here 1/2 cup of butter and another cup, 1/2 cup of butter. That makes 1/2 and 1/2 makes 1 cup of butter in total. And so I am going to add 1 cup and 3/4, or this is 1 cup and 3/4, so makes 1 and 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. So that's 1 cup and 3/4 or 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. So we are going to use our electric hand mixer. So we are going to beat this for maybe 2 minutes until this is well combined. Okay, I'll turn this off for now. Then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Or you can use vanilla essence. And then I have here 6 eggs. I use large eggs. Okay, there you go. And then we will beat this one. Okay, wonderful friends. Just give a good high speed beat of maybe 1 minute. So I have here my evaporated milk. So evaporated milk, I like to use this because this is more creamy. Okay, I'm using 1 cup of evaporated milk. Add this into our mix wet ingredients. So remember, friends, every drop of your ingredients or liquid thing, or like, it counts really. Okay, simply beat this for another minute. Okay, beautiful. Okay, once this is well combined, we are going to add our dry mixture, which is the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then we're going to continue this beating for maybe 1 minute. Just slow beating so that the flour will not spread all over the area. Beautiful. That's it, my wonderful friends. So remember that you are going to use your spatula to scrape the side so that it will be neat and clean, I should say. Okay, once this is done and there are no more lumps, so we are going to pour it into our molders. But friends, however, if you don't have electric stand mixer, you can use this stand mixer, or if you don't have this one and this one, simply use simple whisk. Follow same procedure and you're perfectly fine. Friends, these are the molders I'm using. These are what we call torta molders or ensaymada molders. So I have here my olive oil. So I just try to grease that one. Not so much. And I have here my sizes of parchment paper. Then I just line this. So whatever baking paper you want to use, simply, you can always go ahead. Okay, beautiful. So we will pour at least 2/3 of the mixture into our molders. Wonderful friends, let's check the consistency of our batter mixture. Beautiful. It's not that very runny. So consistency, taste, and texture, they're very important aspects when you bake. Beautiful. So I'm trying to use this measuring cup, and then I will just pour this into my my molder. Now, if you don't have what I do have, the molders, then you can always use the 12 home muffin tins. I'll show you. Okay, wonderful friends. Those are the 12 whole muffins. Just line that with baking cups or paper cups. But you have to adjust the timing for baking. Same temperature, actually. So there you go. I pour at least 2/3 so that there will be room for the broth of your buttered mamon. Okay, wonderful friends, I produce 14. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. So I have here raisins. So I will just add some raisins on top. And repeat same procedure. Okay, wonderful friends. Into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit We will set that for 25 minutes first, and if we needed more minutes in baking, then we can add increments of minutes. Okay, wonderful friends, there you go. We'll close the oven and set our timer. So that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Set that for, let's say, 25 minutes, and we need more time, then we can add it. Set that aside. Okay, this special baking is dedicated to my new added friend, Miss Anna Suarez. I hope that you will also make this for your family and friends. Wonderful friends, our timer has ended up. Before doing any further cancellation, come please, we'll check first. This is really beautifully done. So for me, wonderful friends, I don't really poke it with toothpick. I'll just try to fill it at the middle part. Okay, so I'm going to add, let's say, just 2 minutes. So instead, I will continue baking that for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 minutes. Set that aside. So in total, 25 minutes plus 2 minutes. The total baking time is 27 minutes. But remember, friends, it is still depends upon your oven's temperature. No matter what, oven varies a lot. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. It's about time that I'll have to cancel the entire baking process. Cancel it. So please, we will check up close and personal for our buttered mamon. There you go, loving friends. This is the outcome of our buttered mamon. So remember, I produced the entire mixture, 14 good sizes. Okay, there you go. So once again, I would like to thank you. Thank you very much for watching Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creation. Stay tuned for more bakings and cookings here at my little cocina. By the way, friends, I do not really recommend that you will eat this very warm or hot. Make sure that you have to let it cool off or cool it down at least 4 to 5 hours, so it produces natural moist from the entire mixture. I love you guys. This is your home cook and bake buddy Laarni saying you daghan kaing salamat.